This is the Adrian Show. Yeah, 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 yeah. Adrian Show. Yeah, 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 yeah. Adrian Show. Yeah, 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 yeah. Adrian Show. We need new friends and so fun together. What you thought of right now? Don't be silly or I will poo. The Adrian Show. No. Yeah, 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 yeah. No. Adrian Show. No. The Adrian Show. Adrian Show. Nothing, nothing. Dun 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 dun. We. Hey guys, we're at the nature trail now. I say, this is gonna be a long walk. This place is gonna be very boring. I agree. Me too. It won't be that boring. Good thing we got the picnic. Hooray! Come on. What the? Adrian has left the picnic basket. Do you see anything good, Henry? No, it's just trees and trees and trees and more boring trees. You're not looking that good enough. Wait a minute. What is this? Use a telescope to find out. Ooh, is that a hedgehog? Oh my god, what? Wait a minute, is that their mama? What are they gonna feed them? Worms? That's disgusting. Yeah, that's very disgusting. Come on, let's continue our nature trial. Okay. I don't know if there's that many good things coming along too. I could have been. It's so dumb. Blah blah blah. You're being so gaga. Okay. Wait a minute. Look at this. It's a water cannon. Water cannon? Me, yay. That looks good fun. Sorry, hedgehog. You are a creep. Wait a minute. That hedgehog looks familiar. Adrian, are you that guy from the work area? From your office? Yes, it's me. Oh, thank God. Are you okay? Yeah, someone has shot me with a water. Henry? It wasn't me, it was Crazy Coco. Oh yeah, it was me. Crazy Coco, get over here. Yeah, go get him. You're gonna get a spanking. How dare you beat one of my office workers? That's it. You're going to timeout. Wait. I guess why? No. Just kidding. You're not going to timeout. But you have to learn your next lesson next time. Okay. Let's continue. Hey, can I join? Maybe. Anyways, now that we're done with that nature trial thing, let's do the picnic. Oh yes, the pig. Oh shoot. What's wrong, Adrian? I forgot the picnic. Oh, are you kidding me, Adrian? Yeah, why would you do that? Yeah, boo. Boo. Sorry, guys. I left the picnic basket by accident. Come on, let's go find it. Ooh. Who put that tree there? Shut up, everyone. It's not funny. You have got hurt. You got trolled. Stop teasing. Oh, sorry. I wasn't expecting rain. Good thing I got the umbrella. Come join. Wait a minute, guys. Look, I found footprints. Maybe we'll get there. Yeah. Come on. Uh-oh, these things are washing away. Now how are we going to get into our car now? And the picnic, and my dumb luck. Adrian, you don't have that much dumb luck. That's because everyone loves me. Well, almost everybody. Hey guys, look, it's Dr. Spider-Man. Do you want me to stop the rain? Certainly. Okay. Go away, rain! Shoot! Finally, it's now sunny again. Thanks, Spider-Man. You're welcome. Come on, let's go continue our nature. Let's go get our car. We made it! Our car! Beep, beep. Hooray! And there's the picnic basket. Also, hooray! Yummy. Cheese. Best cheese in the world. Next time, Adrian, don't leave the picnic basket in the car like you did last time. Oh, don't worry. I just got fooled by the spider dude. Yeah, I did fool you because you're caca. Yo, what would you say? Oh crap, I'm in trouble. Turn on your volume now. What? Let's get him! No! Get away from me! Dun, dun, dun. Wait, no, wrong. There we go. That's much better. Now let's go get him. Dun 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 dun. Agent show, yeah, yeah, yeah. YouTube, television. Let's continue beating. Ouch.